Welcome to Subway. You better eat fresh. What could I do for that?
I guess I'll just do a sandwich.
Okay, well, what do you want on it?
I don't know.
Well, there's a lot of options, like meatballs.
That's up to you.
Meatballs?
Slap those sauce balls on there. And what else?
Banana pepper? No, we don't have to. I'll stop. I'm sorry.
You're amazing! Don't stop!
Cheese time?
Cheese time.
And do we toast it?
Do we? Do we toast this fucking shit?
Yeah.
We do.
We're eating fresh today.
You damn right.